I can't believe we are finally getting a partnership between Adobe Premiere and YouTube, and I get to partner with Adobe to tell you about it. I personally have been a loyal customer of Adobe's since October 2022. I edit every single one of my photos in Lightroom. My team has used Photoshop to edit Instagram carousels before. All of my long form videos are edited in Adobe Premiere on desktop. And when I mass export all of my course videos, I use their media encoder. So ever since they launched Premiere on iPhone, I've been using it daily for my short form content. To be partnering with Adobe to tell you about the exciting things that are happening with their brand and business is the ultimate dream partnership for me. So first, I want to give you an overview of Premiere on iPhone because this is where the partnership will be taking place. Then I'll talk through with you some of the features that will be coming when this partnership launches. Okay, yes, you heard me correctly. Adobe officially has Premiere on iPhone. This is truly the ultimate video editing app for creators. I know a lot of people recently have been looking for mobile editing alternatives to what's currently out there, and I've been having so much fun editing in their new app. The interface is going to feel very familiar for those of you who are already editing on your phone. You have the standard tools like split, delete, duplicate, volume, extract audio, speed, background removal. You can also add music, sound effects, text, and closed captions. But I'm just gonna quickly highlight 5 of the huge standout features that they have. These are features that I just don't think anyone else is doing as well as they are. First of all, can we just talk about enhanced speech? Enhanced speech is crazy. This is a coffee vlog that I filmed just a few days ago. I was not using a mic, as you can tell by this audio. Baby J is teething. But when I press the enhanced speech option, the quality in which Premiere on mobile enhances my voice is absolutely insane. I have never seen or heard anything like this. Just listen.
J is teething, which means it took us.
Now for sound effects, not only do they already have thousands of sound effects for you to choose from, but if you can't find a particular sound that you're thinking of or looking for, you can actually use AI to generate your own sound effects. You can do this by either describing the sound effect that you want it to generate, like this, or what's really cool, you can actually use your own voice to mimic the sound that you want, and AI will create like an actual sound effect alternative. Let me show you. On the note of AI generation, you could also generate your own images. Let's say you're scrolling through the libraries of free creative assets that are already in the app, and for some reason, let's say you just can't find exactly what you're looking for or thinking of. What you could do is choose Generate Image and describe exactly the image that you want it to generate, and AI will create that image for you. Next, for my aesthetic coffee videos, color grading has been honestly really easy because I just use the pre-existing cinematic presets that they have. Specifically, the one that I use is, it's under looks, dramatic, and I usually set this between 20 to 30%. And the 5th feature that I've been really enjoying is multi-platform editing options. If you have a long form YouTube video and you quickly want to create it into a short or reel, you can easily make those changes already in the project you're in. All right, now that you have a general overview of Premiere on mobile, let's talk about Adobe Premiere and YouTube's partnership. So this partnership with YouTube is coming soon to Premiere on iPhone and will be launched globally by the end of the year. The YouTube partnership will consist of some really exciting features like a trending templates gallery where you can find and use trending templates within Premiere on mobile. Let's say you're a fitness creator wanting to make a day in the life vlog. You can find a template that matches exactly what you're looking for in their templates gallery and make it your own by swapping in your clips. Now let's say you see a template that you really like and you want to use it as a starting point for your edit. You will have access to edit that template a little bit more in Premiere on iPhone. So basically you could either replace the media to personalize the template while retaining the original look and feel of the template, Or you could have full mobile editing control where you can really customize it and have your own creative freedom with fine-tuning your edit to exactly what you were envisioning. Another feature that you will get access to is the ability to submit videos to the templates gallery. Creators can opt in to share their videos to be remixable by others, and by doing so, your content surfaces in the template viewer, ultimately increasing your visibility. And finally, the one I think I'm looking forward to the most is being able to launch the Premiere editor directly from YouTube. Let's say you're on YouTube and you see content created in Premiere that inspires you. You can tap the badge to remix and a template will open directly in the Premiere mobile editor so that you can immediately get started with creating. And not only that, but Premiere will be the only mobile video editing partner that YouTube directly links to. And I think this is just the beginning. I am just so stinking excited for this launch. I'll be keeping an eye out for this partnership to drop. Of everything that we talked about in today's video, let me know down in the comments what feature you love the most on Premiere on iPhone, or what feature are you looking forward to the most when it comes to the YouTube partnership right around the corner. If you want to start editing your videos in Premiere on iPhone, I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description below. And while you're there, be sure to keep an eye out for the Adobe Premiere and YouTube partnership coming soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.